So this video is going to cover the operational changes that we've made to the KH Huppert electric furnace. To start the machine, all that's needed is to flip the lever on the disconnect. When you do this, you'll hear the clock start ticking and the pilot light come on. The machine's in standby mode. It will not come on until the set time comes around on the timing circuit.
Let's look in the timer. And you can hear it too. It's pretty loud, isn't it?
Yeah.
Timer. Okay.
So as it's running, you can see that it'll come on. It's set to come on at 7 o'clock a.m. The clock isn't set right now, but it'll come on at 7, and it will turn off at 5 o'clock when the workday terminates. The pilot light allows us to know that if this light is on, the machine will turn itself on tomorrow morning. So that's why I wired it up that way. The Infitrol dial here doesn't do anything anymore. This has completely been disconnected. This fuse, is in line with the control circuit. So this is a fuse for all of the lights as well as the thermostat itself. Over here in the timing circuit, there's a lever on the right side. When I flip it, it will manually go into manual mode, and I'll be able to operate the machine manually. So now you'll see the digital display turn on, and it'll trigger the coils. It's now heating, and this light signals when the machine is heating. When the door is opened, it stops heating, so you can put parts in, do whatever you need to do, and when it shuts, it'll automatically start heating again.
Is that it?
That's it.
Say goodbye.
So here we'll go over the how to set the temperature. In order to set the temperature, I hit the second button right here, the blue button that says AT, and it starts flashing the first or the last digit. I can then use these up and down arrows to set the temperature, and the digits before it will correspond. So if it's at 1200, I can hit down and it'll go down to 199. If I want to change these digits individually, I hit this button again, and it advances to the next digit. So I hit it again, advances to the next digit. Hit it again, say I want to go down to 100, so it's 100 degrees right now, and then I'll hit set, and now it'll heat up to 100 degrees, and you'll see it actually probably cut off here within the next couple of minutes. It's actually heating up pretty quickly.
Okay, we'll watch it until it cuts off. Cut off.
We'll see how much it overshoots. It may overshoot a couple degrees. And that's programmable inside, this thermostat. We can program it to start to turn off a little bit before and account for that.